Utilizing your Allstate reward points is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to make the most of them. Begin by accessing the Allstate website or opening their mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the section of your account related to rewards or reward points. This section might be labeled as rewards points, or something similar. Within this section, you'll find your current rewards points balance, indicating how many points you have available for redemption. Explore the various redemption options available for your Allstate rewards points. These options can range from discounts on insurance premiums to gift cards, merchandise, experiences, or charitable donations. Select the reward or benefit you wish to redeem your points for and proceed with the redemption process by clicking on the appropriate option. Depending on your chosen redemption option, you may need to provide additional details such as the amount of discount or the specific item you want to redeem for your points. Before finalizing the redemption, review all the details to ensure accuracy. Pay close attention to any terms and conditions, expiration dates, or other relevant information associated with the redemption option. Follow the prompts to confirm your redemption request, and be prepared to verify your selection or provide additional information if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the redemption details, proceed to complete the redemption process. This may involve confirming your request and waiting for the redemption to be processed. After the redemption is processed, you should receive the chosen reward or benefit according to the terms of the redemption option you selected. This could include a discount applied to your insurance premium, a gift card delivered to your email or mailing address, or another form of reward.